What you are going to need for this DIY is scissors, a paper plate, colored paper, crayons, ribbon, and a glue stick.
Hi, what's up y'all? Today we're going to be making this super cute Easter wreath. So you're watching Crafts with Claire, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Let's get into the craft. Our next step is to cut out the hole. So whenever you're cutting out the hole, make sure you have parent supervision when you're doing this, because you need to get the scissors to do this and just cut out the little circle. So I'm drawing my eggs, and we're gonna have, you can choose 6 different colors and make two eggs per color. So I'm making my other egg. Your 13 eggs. The next step is to take your crayons and color them. We're going to glue our eggs onto our paper plate. Our paper plate should be facing like this, not this way. So I'm going to glue all my eggs on. Our next step is we are going to tie our bow. So you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to put it underneath the paper plate between 2 of your eggs and tie it. This is the hardest part of the craft. So you're going to want your mom or dad to help you with this. And this. So just tie it like you're tying your shoes. There's my bow. And our last step is we're going to take some more ribbon and cut it. You can use any tape, but I'm going to be using duct tape because I don't have any other good sticky tape. You can use masking tape and that. I'm going to use duct tape. So where the bow is, you're going to tie this together. Just around your fingers like this, like how you tie a water balloon together. Just tie it around your fingers, pull it, and right by where your bow is, you're going to take your whatever kind of tape you're using and do that. And for your excess, if there's some hanging off the side, just cut it. And you are all done with your DIY Easter wreath. Thank you for watching Crafts with Claire. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!